In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Jotform after submission. Maybe you've already collected responses and noticed a typo, a missing instruction, or a field that needs a quick tweak. That's perfectly fine. I'll walk you through the simplest way to get back into your form and make clean, confident updates without disrupting your existing data. First, head to jotform.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into the account that owns the form you want to update. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you can see the right list of forms. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can access your folders, starred items, and everything you've built. Next, click all in that left sidebar. This view brings up your complete list of forms, including the ones that have already received submissions. It's a helpful way to see everything at a glance. You'll typically see form names, last edited dates, and submission counts, which can reassure you that you're about to open the correct form. If you manage many forms, the search bar and sorting options can help you spot the one you need faster, but we'll keep things straightforward here. Now, select the form you want to change and click Edit Form. This opens the form builder, where you can safely adjust wording, update help text, tweak validation, change placeholders, or hide fields you no longer want new respondents to see. Jotform auto-saves as you work, so keep an eye on the save indicator near the top. You'll typically see it confirm that your changes are saved. A few best practices will help you avoid surprises. If the form already has submissions, be careful about deleting fields. Deleting a field may remove its existing answers from your submission data. If you simply don't want people to fill it out going forward, hiding the field is usually the safer choice. Also, renaming fields or changing options can affect integrations, reports, and downstream workflows. Make small changes, then double-check the live form to ensure everything looks and behaves as expected. Finally, remember that editing the form affects what future respondents see. Your current submissions remain as they were submitted. If you ever need to correct information inside a specific entry, that's a different process handled from your submissions view, not in the form builder. That's it. You've seen how to open Jotform, view all your forms, and jump into edit form to make thoughtful updates after submissions have started coming in.